What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm gonna make a quick video here. So my HDMI cable arrived, so now I could make videos in my Nintendo Switch, Xbox, or like other gaming devices. Imagine it lets me record on my DS. That would be cool. But yeah, so I'm gonna unbox this, and yeah, I'll take you guys on. Oh, let me just leave it is right there hanging. I'll open this. I think I have some scissors. Sorry guys if you guys see any blackness. Okay, there you go, I got it. Okay, so my HDMI cable arrived, so yeah. So I could record me playing with Splat Bro, the old NES classic games, and the Nintendo Switch. This is really hard to open with just one hand. There you go, I got it. So here's one cable, and here's the other one. Is that it? I think that's it. So here are the two HDMI cables. I'm gonna try making a video right now. So yeah guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.